Purezidenti Museveni babagambire nyuma abazio aha mukoro gwo kushabira omugyenzi General Aronda nyakiruma ogukorirwa ha Omuneneserezo tumunyonyo. Omukoro ogwo gutandikire no kushaba okwebembirwe Right Reverend Onesimus Asimwe owaanosikigeze diocese oyambirweho Bishop wahumwire Right Reverend Patrick Tugume. Omukoro ogwo gwishikirweho ebikonjo kuruga mu government na UPDF.
When Aronda became CDF, he in particular rejuvenated one of the principles of the NRA, the strategic relationship with the people. Some of the other commanders, sometimes they would say military, yes. But you remember Mao Zedong said, you must be like fish in water. You cannot have fish without water. The army must have the masses.
Okwijuka General Aronda nugwe mukoro guhendire omworeko gubesire Kampala Defense and Security Expo ogumazire birobena. Omukoro ogwo gukorirwe ahansi y'omutwe oguri kugira ngu celebrating the life of Honorable General Aronda Nyakiruma, a paragon of revolutionary sacrifice, pan-Africanism, patriotism, courage, and accomplished freedom fighter.
As a living witness to all the armies that Uganda had since independence, I wish to observe that UPDF stands out a unique independent force which has examined its track of record into discipline.
Purezidenti Museveni agambira abantu abashikira ha mukoro ogwo ngukuyahire General Aronda bwa Minister w'enshonga z'omunda akayamba chango kumaraho ebizibu ebyabire bucumbageze Uganda. General Aronda hona akakoraho nk'omuduumizi w'amahega Uganda okumara emyaka mingi.
When I appointed him as Minister of Internal Affairs, he tried to deal with the problem that has been destabilizing Uganda since independence. The problem of accurate identification of Ugandans, especially the voters. People don't know that part of the instability of Uganda was caused by this.
The late General Aronda made a shining impact on the leader that we have today. He mobilized the entire country. He laid the firm foundation that we are standing on today and set it rolling. And this is why we are here and celebrating his shining impact, but under the command of our leader.
Rinda Aronda omukazi w'omugyenzi General Aronda asiimire Purezidenti Museveni ahabwo kuha omugisha omushaija we akaheereza ihangiro omu offices zitari zimwe na zimwe.
I would like to thank the Commander-in-Chief, Ministry of Defense, and the CDF for organizing this function of 3 days to honor our loved one. By the time my husband passed on, we were about to make 20 years in marriage. He worked tirelessly on the national ID, which by the time he died, was completed.
Omugyenzi General Aronda akafeera ahidara lya General kandi akakora mu office zitari zimwe na zimwe omukuduumira amahega ihanga. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ensinganto Abdul Karim.